Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your old stock halogen lights in your map light in the dome light. Let's go ahead and get started. Tools you're going to need: either a flathead screwdriver, if you have a pry tool with the small end. This will work just fine, but you don't want to damage anything, especially the plastic here. But what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press this twice. So one, and on the second time you're going to hold it down and you're going to place the pry tool right in here and you're going to pry downwards. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press it down once, and then you're going to hit it twice to turn off the light. And then right here with the pry tool, and it just pops out just like that. The reason that you want to do it twice is so that the second time the light is off while you're working, because even with that light on just for a little bit, it'll actually get pretty hot. So just want to make sure that you have it in the off position while you're working on it, so that way it's cool to the touch. And you're just going to grab it and pull it out. Got our new LEDs here. I'm going to go and take that out and pop it in. Oh yeah. Alright, you're going to get your new LED and go ahead and pop it in and go ahead and give it a try, and bam. Let's look at the before and after. After and before, I guess. Once that's all good, you're going to go ahead and put in the put the cover back in, and you're going to go to the side that you popped out first and just press it in like that, and you're all good. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. Next one we're going to work on is going to be the dome light. And you're going to move it to the off position, so that way it's not on and getting super hot. And if you look closely right in these areas, you'll see a little different right here. You can kind of see it. There's a little spot for you to put like a flathead or the tool. So you're just going to place that in there and pry it out, being careful so that you don't break it. Just like that. And then you're going to come to this side, do the same thing, and then that's just going to pop right out just like that. Make sure that the bulb's not hot. So the best way that I found to get the bulb out was to put one finger up top, up here, and then using the other finger and pushing on the back of the bulb right here and pushing outward. So you're pretty much just using one finger right here just to push it outward. The other finger is just to help support it, make sure that nothing breaks. You're going to get your new LED and go ahead and slide that in. Once you get your new LED in, you're just going to go ahead and test it, make sure it turns on, and we're ready to put the cover back on. You're going to see these little grooves, the little grooves here at the edge. Place that back in. Oh. Make sure there's no dirt in there. And just like that. Push it back in. And it's all good. One thing with these LEDs, if you put it in one way and you find that it's not working, still no power, go ahead and take it out, flip it around, put it back in. That's pretty common with these aftermarket LEDs. But yep, that's it. So we got the map light and the dome light swapped out for LEDs. If this video was helpful, go ahead and subscribe and like and leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I always appreciate the feedback.